Hi all, very good morning. How are you all? Now it's early morning, 5 o'clock, and I am on the streets of Hyderabad going towards BHAL to see one of the hidden lakes of Hyderabad, and also I heard that we have a bird view as well. So let's see how it's gonna look like. And that location is around 23 kilometers from now. You may continuously see these two things in the video. These are actually a part of a cycle handlebar, so I kept it to show you the cycle point of view when we are on the streets. It's morning around 5:15, and as you can see, our city never sleeps. Even at the early morning, you can see so much of vehicles moving on. It's very chill. The winter is very cold here. As you can see, we have few travel buses. People who are living outside of Hyderabad are coming to Hyderabad during the weekend. Right now we are in Housing Board main road. That's literally so many buses. Early morning. Everywhere I can see only buses in the Housing Board main road. Now we have crossed JNTU. Once you cross that Housing Board JNTU, again you can see the roads are very peaceful. It's so nice to always cycle on empty roads on a chilly morning. I cycled around 19 kilometers. Now only around 4 kilometers to go. Let's see how the lake view gonna be. Now we are at BHAL. We are only 3 kilometers away from the lake. Once you cross BHAL, the temperature gonna definitely go low, because I'm already able to feel that here it's more cold. It's so cold here, my fingers are almost freezing, you know, but it's fun. So far I cycled around 23 kilometers. Lake is around 1 or 2 kilometers max. We are very near to the lake now. Hi. Hi bro. Good morning. Huh?
ಹೇಗಿದ್ದೀರಾ?
Good. You ಹೆಂಗಿದ್ದೀರಿ? Hi. Hi. Chandra.
Okay, Chandra.
Yeah.
Okay.
The lake is so big, so big. I can't believe that it's within the city limits. Now waiting for the sunrise, and you can hear the beautiful boat making sounds.
It's a video. Oh, మీరు వెళ్ళండి. ఓకే సార్.